In this week's Finmeccanica breaking news, we cover AgustaWestland's brand new AW189 helicopter, the successful sale of Ansaldo Energia, Selex ES's strong presence at DSEI 2013, the perfect launch of Thales Alenia Space's Cygnus cargo module, and impressive sales growth at ATR. AgustaWestland is consolidating its status as cutting-edge technology leader with the successful completion of the maiden flight of the first production model of its brand new AW189 twin-engine medium helicopter workhorse. Brought to the market in record time, this new 8-ton class helicopter has quickly become the go-to solution for clients seeking an affordable and versatile multi-role helicopter. It has been designed with long-range offshore operations in mind, and its 50-minute run-dry gearbox guarantees unprecedented safety in hostile and remote conditions. It is no surprise that its first customer is Bristow Helicopters, that conducts extensive North Sea oil industry missions. And a second assembly line is being established in Yeovil, UK, with a view to servicing the UK search and rescue and oil rig market. Since its launch at the Paris Air Show, it has already garnered more than 80 orders, an exceptional result. The steady increase of the Finmeccanica share price, with current gains of over 20% in the first half of October, is a concrete seal of approval from the markets concerning the sale of Ansaldo Energia, Finmeccanica's power plant engineering arm, with interests in gas production, turbine and generator manufacture, as well as in the nuclear and renewables sectors. Once the sale is complete, Finmeccanica will bank over 700 million euros, allowing it to make a sizable contribution to its debt reduction strategy. The Italian state lender Cassa Depositi e Prestiti, through its investment fund Fondo Strategico Italiano, will assume control through its 85% share purchase, with a view to divesting to a suitable industrial partner yet to be identified. Part of Managing Director Alessandro Panza's well-publicised restructuring plan, the Ansaldo Energia sale will allow Finmeccanica to concentrate on its core businesses of defence, security and aerospace. Selex ES confirmed its reputation for innovation, with an extremely positive presence at this year's Defence, Security and Equipment International exhibition held at London Docklands in mid-September. 3 products stood out, with the new SLX Hawk S thermal imaging camera confirming its launch customer, the Royal Navy. Part of a family of thermal imaging cameras, some of which are already in use on British Armed Forces Chinook helicopters and Mastiff armoured vehicles, the Hawk S, due to its small format, is ideally placed to substitute underperforming legacy systems. Groundbreaking design also distinguished the Unimast, an integrated multi-sensor naval mast. Rather than allowing warships to continue the conventional method of patching on new mast subsystems as and when necessary, with attendant visibility and interference issues, the Unimast aggregates target detection, tracking, communications, IFF and electronic warfare capabilities housed in a single stealth profile structure and boasting a single management system. The Unimast has built-in modularity and can be reconfigured according to vessel specifications. Last, but by no means least, Selex ES signed a €40 million contract for the delivery of its Falco unmanned aerial system to an unnamed Middle East state. Already a mature platform, this is further evidence of its operational relevance. Since the decommissioning of the Space Shuttle, NASA is dependent on third-party contractors for manned and cargo missions to the International Space Station, and has a dedicated Commercial Orbital Transportation Services program with various booster platforms. Orbital Sciences Corporation is in the forefront, and it has chosen Thales Alenia Space to design and build its pressurized cargo modules to fly on the 9 commercial Cygnus spacecraft missions hoisted aloft by Orbital's Antares rocket. The test mission successfully launched on September the 18th, delivering 700 kilograms of supplies to the ISS. Fittingly, the Italian astronaut Luca Parmitano welcomed the transport vehicle on board the ISS, which itself contains extensive modules and components manufactured by Thales Alenia Space. This is only the latest demonstration of the expertise built up over the past 30 years by the Italian space industry leader. As well as the pressurized modules on board the ISS, the factory in Turin also consigned the automated transfer vehicles to the European Space Agency. It is currently working on the design and construction for NASA's Orion capsule. The Paris Air Show, held at Le Bourget in June, was the most successful in ATR's history, and the groundwork established during the event continues to bear fruit with new and confirmed orders. 173 orders and options were signed during the show, including 36 firm orders and 55 options from Nordic Aviation Capital. The Danish leasing firm has emphatically reinforced its appreciation for and confidence in the aircraft by placing a further 15 firm orders and 25 options during the recent European Regional Association meeting held in Salzburg. NAC therefore confirms its status as the largest ATR fleet management firm in the world, with around 90 planes in service, and plans to expand its portfolio to 150. It's no surprise that 180 airlines are flying these aircraft around the world in a bewildering variety of service conditions.